The J.C. Penney Company. What? Is this like a former J.C. Penney store? Huh. I have no clue what this place is. Just music. Stupid doo-doo dumb. It looks like the rapper Afro Man. That looks like Afro Man. That's crazy. Stupid doo-doo dumb. I've never seen that sticker before. That's quite unique. Good Lord, I'm exhausted. I think when I get back to the car, I'm gonna recharge this battery a little bit. Get a good bit of water, maybe get some snacks. Good Lord, what happened here? This is ruins, man. These are like the most basic ruins you can find. Holy shit. This place burned down and crumbled to the ground. It looks like a fucking bomb hit this place. What the hell? Mostly peaceful bombs. That is insane. Dude, that is insanity. I don't think I've ever seen a building that fucked up. And if it's just like the elements, oh, that's nuts. Private property, no trespassing. Aye, aye, chief. You know what I'm saying? I got you. I only walk into buildings without a no trespass sign. And that's why I like this city. There's so many of them. Pretty sure there's gonna be snakes in here in the tall grass, but you know, we shall see. Oh, another empty building. Some more ruins. Cool. Let's get to exploring. I don't know if this is like episode 4 or 5 or something, but looky here. A bunch of old, what are those fucking VHS tapes. Haven't had those since I was a youngin', since I was like 5. Bro, that's how I fell in love with like Star Wars when I was a kid, bro. Watching the old, the VHS Star Wars tapes, man. It was something, bro. It was an experience as a youngin'. I'm gonna go to the other side of the building so it's just easy to walk right in. I'm assuming this is like a movie theater though, considering they got fucking movies, VHS tapes. But maybe they're like cursed tapes, you know? It's like the Hat Man video. One of those like creepypasta movies. You hear about the cursed movie tape. Oh shit. What happened? Oh, never mind, I'm tripping. This is the same building I started with. Okay. Yeah, we'll go around the front. We'll just walk the street. Not in like the prostitution kind of way, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna do the more normal pedestrian route. Not just walk through the grass. I mean, sure, it's a viable option. Suppose if I'm like trying to play up or like play into the role of the bum, for sure. Hobo style. You just kind of walk anywhere respectfully and just mind your own business. I suppose that is the way of the hobo, the wandering transient. Look at that, the home of Coca-Cola down there. What if that was the Coca-Cola factory? Huh. What time even is it right now? Oh, it's 11. Okay, I got a good another hour. I got 1 more hour of grinding this shit out. Huh. Ah, cool tag right there. Let me hop into here real quick. So many burned out boards. Yeah, I got my money on a movie theater, but I could be very wrong. That's Bart Simpson over there. Like I say, the artists here are actually really good. Even though it's a pretty small, dwindling town. I forgot to give the stats on Helena. I think like back in the 90s, the 80s, 70s, probably like 50 years ago, the town's population was, I think, like 15,000 on this side of town. Whew. May have been more, may have been less. But over time, you know, you can see the town just kind of decayed. People stopped investing in the area or something. Shit happens, you know. Society keeps marching forward and developments get centralized to the big cities. So just small places like this get forgot about. They get completely forgotten. And it sucks, you know. I think in 2006, West Helena, the other side of town, which I didn't find too much, was interesting to explore. I may go back over there and check out a couple things. But East Helena, you can see it kind of fell off. It's a way older city. I believe it's about 100 years older. 93 years older than West Helena. But just kind of fell off over the years. Eventually, the two cities merged in 2006, forming the... Sorry, I gotta get my lighting right. Anyways, it merged in 2006, forming Helena hyphen West Helena. Yeah. Just because, you know, the two towns couldn't really do it on their own. I don't know, I'm not gonna film people's cars. I'm not that kind of dude. I don't want to dox people unintentionally. The Helena Arc Blues Capital. This is cool. I'm glad they like repurposed a fucking abandoned ruin. I like that. Oh shit, this is awesome. I could get some amazing pictures in here, and that's what I'm gonna do in a bit. Okay, you got the watermelon colorway. I'm loving this. Dude, this is so dope. Yeah, this must be an awesome little hangout spot. I mean, if the authorities don't fuck with you for just sitting in here loitering, dude, this would be a great spot to like set up some lawn chairs with your buddies, crack open some cold ones. Like a major vibe in here, dude. This is awesome. Helena bound. Hell yeah, I gotta take a picture there.